The bike is down. Don't worry, I just put it to the ground because I want to know if I can get it back up by myself. So that's where this video is going to be all about. How to pick up the Africa Twin Adventure Sports. Oh, NDGS Adventure. Because I was with Charles and because he was trying the same thing. And it's better with the two, because if it fails, I don't have to die there because I cannot get the bike back up again. For some strange reason, my microphone in my helmet was not working. So I do the voiceover now in my studio and I put it on the GoPro video. Even with a little bit wind noise, so yeah, it's almost the same. Back to the bike. The Africa Twin Adventure Sports is a very heavy bike, around 250 kilograms dry, so without panniers, etc. And to make things worse, it's also very top heavy. As long as you're riding, no problem there. But you might know that I want to ride the bike off-road this summer on the TET, the Trans-European Trail. Well, that is, if it's not crowded with Russian tanks, of course. In a perfect world, I would not fall. But as you already know by now, the world is far from perfect. So I will surely hit the ground a few times with it. When riding in the middle of nowhere, I need to make sure I can get my bike back up again. And I saw some how-to videos on YouTube. Some did manage to get it back on its wheels, some don't. It all comes down to technique, I guess. So let's find out if I can also do it. Let's start by lay the bike on the ground. Well, this is gonna be a nice spot to drop the bike. Charles is there. It's GS. And there's the Twin. I cannot see it, there's a lot of sun. The ground is very soft here, but yeah. Let's try to push it over. Well, the basic idea is sit here and find some points, some few points anywhere, and then just walk. All right. Okay. But there's another trick, BMW trick. Like this. It's too heavy. Again, I don't have any contact points here. Fuck. Easy. Now Charles. Okay, Charles.
With my bike.
Yeah. Charles is gonna try with the BMW.
Co-pilot auto rotation disable.
Oh, what? Oh. De droom gaat er vandoor. Wacht even. Stop. Jij doet het zo. Charles is using the I break my back method. That was easy. I'm gonna try it again. Because I must master this shit.
Okay, drop it. Okay, Roland, you put your bike on the ground.
Dat bestond zo start. Check. I really need to go to a hairdresser now. But yeah, we had some fun with the drones. No drone was harmed, almost. Charles was sending his drone to the trees, almost. And I was sending it to the ground, almost. But yeah, it was fun. And it was nice that we can pick up the bikes. It was also fun. So yeah, I think this is it. I'll see you all next time. And remember, ride safe.